Hi dear listeners and viewers, this is the Body Language series and today's lesson is, the embarrassed smile. This type of smile serves several communicative functions, often signaling acknowledgement of a social faux pas, an attempt to restore normalcy, or a means of expressing humility. Here's a detailed exploration of the embarrassed smile. A social signal of humility and grace. In the tapestry of human expressions, the embarrassed smile stands out as a poignant stitch that weaves humility with discomfort. It's a gesture that almost everyone has exhibited at one point or another, often emerging spontaneously in response to situations that prick our sense of propriety or self-esteem. This involuntary reaction, complex yet universally relatable, serves as a subtle social tool to navigate the intricate dynamics of interpersonal relationships. The anatomy. Characteristic of an embarrassed smile is its ephemerality and understated nature. Unlike the broadness of a genuine, happy smile, the embarrassed smile is more restrained, frequently accompanied by a downward gaze or an averted eye contact, acknowledging a social boundary that has been, knowingly or unknowingly, breached. Physiologically, the smile involves a slight upward pull off the lip corners, but it's often the accompanying gestures that are telltale: a hand that fleetingly covers the mouth, a quick touch to the neck, or a shy attempt to hide one's face altogether. These ancillary actions underscore the desire to shield oneself, if not physically, then emotionally, from the perceived scrutiny of others. Why do we exhibit the embarrassed smile? The embarrassed smile is rooted in our psychological response to situations where we perceive a disconnect between how we want to be seen and how we fear we are seen. Researchers in social psychology assert that this smile is an appeasement gesture, an instinctive attempt to re-establish social bonds that are threatened by awkward or embarrassing situations. Embarrassment, a form of social discomfort, activates this particular smile as a nonverbal apology. It's our way of expressing acknowledgement of a mistake or a blunder, conveying regret without necessarily using words. This nonverbal cue is incredibly nuanced, as it also communicates a sense of vulnerability, making the individual seem more relatable and human, thus often diffusing the tension in social settings. The social implications. From a sociological perspective, the embarrassed smile facilitates a social smoothing. When a person smiles in embarrassment, it signals to others that the individual recognizes a social misstep. It's a silent plea for understanding and forgiveness. This display of humility often elicits empathy from others, reaffirming social bonds and norms by showing the individual's commitment to those norms. Furthermore, the embarrassed smile can serve as a crucial component in maintaining group cohesion. By exhibiting embarrassment, an individual tacitly communicates their acceptance of social norms and values, reinforcing their place within a group. It shows that the individual cares about their social standing and relationships, often leading others within the group to respond with reassurance or downplay the severity of the misstep. Conclusion. In closing, the embarrassed smile, a seemingly simple facial expression, is a testament to the complexities of human emotion and social interaction. It serves as a bridge over the gaps that our missteps create, allowing for a reconnection that reaffirms not just our social understanding but also our humanity. It is a silent communicator, speaking volumes where words often fail, gracefully restoring the balance in the delicate dance of social relations.